Hello everyone, I am Kumar. Hope everyone is fit and fine. Yet here we are with yet another session with my top management of my company. Today we are having with us is Mr. Jatin Shah, Vice President of Operations of New India Electricals. Thank you very much for joining us, sir.
Hi, Sarvana. Good morning.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Good morning to you. To give a short introduction about Mr. Jatin Shah, he is a Bangalore person. He is working with New India Electricals for since 2006, and he is a commercial graduate. Now, currently, starting from the back end administration, and now he is the Vice President of Operations. It's been a pleasure, sir, to have a interactive session with you.
Pleasure is all mine, Sarvana.
Without further ado, let's go with questions. Whenever I hear the name Jatin Shah, so the one thing that reminds me is the commitment to work and the discipline in doing that. How did you achieve this trait in yourself?
Sarvana, commitment is not something I have cultivated or learned. I guess it has been passed on to me. Must be in my DNA. So I guess I have to thank my parents for it. But yes, discipline is definitely something I learned and cultivated at school, I must say.
When I was working with you, I have seen a lot of steel mill customers calling you and asking for Mr. Jatin Shah. I want to speak with Mr. Jatin Shah, and they wanted to get the suggestions from you. So, how did you gain this trust from all these customers? How were you be the one person to believe in?
Well, I don't know. You might want to ask them, but I guess I must have done something right if they have that confidence in me, which makes them call and ask for me. But seriously, if a customer calls, any customer, asking for me and says that he wants to talk to me, it must be because of a certain comfort level that has been developed, that they feel with me. And surely that must come from trust.
Right.
We at New India work very hard at establishing that trust with all our associates. Not just customers. Of course, customers are an integral part of our business, but our suppliers too, our service providers, and in general, all our associates. And maybe that is how that confidence is built up.
Very nice. Sir, as a largest stockist of motors and pumps and various other products, there is a lot of minute nuances in selecting every product, particularly DC motors.
Yes.
So, how did you train yourself to achieving this perfection in doing it?
Well, first of all, Sarvana, I am not perfect. Let me tell you that. I have a long way to go in reaching there. But I'm learning. Yes, I'm definitely learning. And over the years, I have developed an understanding of the process of steel making. I have attended a few training programs. I have had the pleasure of interacting with a lot of senior steel mill consultants. They are a treasure trove of information, let me tell you that. And I have visited various steel plants. And I have regular conversations, discussions with customers, consultants, engineers like you, almost every day. So the collective input of all these is what I depend upon to go about my work.
Nice. So, like there is a famous saying, Rome was not built in a single day. It definitely takes a lot of time and experience to achieve.
Absolutely, yes. Absolutely.
Yes, sir. So at this moment, may I ask you, sir, apart from steel, what else that we are at the best?
Sarvana, as you know, steel industry has been our focus.
Right.
But yeah, surely we don't do just steel.
Correct.
You cannot cater to just one industry as a business. You need to have your eggs in multiple baskets.
Right.
Yes, so we also do paper, we do sugar, we do cement, material handling sector, the crane industry, amongst others, keeping all these industries in mind. And as you know, stocking has always been our forte.
Yes, sir. So when it comes to work, I have seen you practice a very strict ethical standards. And how did this help you in the long run, sir? And what would you like to suggest to the youngsters while it comes to practicing such standards in work?
Sarana, ethics and trust. These are the two pillars, you can say, on which any relationship is built.
Right.
Be it buyer-seller, or even our personal relationships. So if I would prefer to buy from someone that I can trust, I'm sure my customers feel the same way.
Right.
So I have to become someone they can trust. Yeah, my word, my commitment has to be my calling card. And when I say mine, it naturally implies the word of New India Electricals.
Right.
And you said advice. Let me tell you, I do not think, honestly, Sarvana, that I'm equipped to advise anybody, especially to bright young engineers like you.
You're being too modest, sir.
No, I'm being honest. Youngsters like you these days are far ahead of time. Yes. I'm still in the learning mode. But if I were to suggest something, not advice, but if I were to suggest something from my own experience, it would be never compromise on ethics and trust. Because once broken, these things cannot be fixed easily, sir.
Right.
Yeah, so that is all I can, generally suggest.
Definitely, I'll keep that in mind and hope those who are watching this also will take that. Yes, sir. So along with the huge domestic market that we are having, and I'm pretty sure that we have also worked with a lot of international customers. Would you like to share any interesting experiences with the international customers?
Yes, Sarvana, you meet all types of customers in the course of business. You have all kinds of experiences.
Right.
Mostly good, which you tend to remember and cherish. Some not so good, which you put behind you. And yeah, experience, I've had many with various customers. But if there is one, if you ask me for, there is one very pleasant experience that I'll share with you.
Okay.
It so happened that one of our overseas customers had come to India looking for sources to source material, as he was putting up a steel plant back in his country.
Okay.
Well, he was not yet a customer to us per se, because we had not had any business with him so far. But we were hoping to start.
Okay.
Now, one of our mutual associates had set up a meeting for us, for us and this customer. So I went to meet him.
Okay.
We had a short but interesting meet, as he obviously had a very busy schedule, That was it. The next day, he went back to his homeland and I got back to Bangalore. In the meantime, we had sent him a routine offer, a quotation, like we always do.
Yeah.
And then things went quiet. Things were stagnating for some time. There was no correspondence. A few months later, I went to meet him. Just like that.
Okay.
He was surprised, naturally. He said, "Look, you didn't have to come down all the way here to take this order."
Right.
I said, "Sir, I haven't come here to take your order. In fact, I haven't come here to talk shop or to discuss business at all with you. This is just a courtesy visit and just wanted to say hello."
Okay.
So we spent some time. He took me around his mill, the new plant, which was just still coming up.
Okay.
Yeah, we had lunch together. Very nice of him to spend that time with me. We had a very casual one-on-one, nothing official, nothing serious. And as I was leaving, he said to me, "You will get the order within a week."
Oh, okay.
I was surprised, but I did not take this seriously. as I didn't want to get my expectations up. And I got back. I came back to India. And, before the end of the week, Sarvana, that PO was in my inbox.
Wow. Okay.
No discussions after my visit there. No communication. I was floored. And the only reason I could think of for this to happen was confidence and trust.
Right.
The fact that I went all the way to another country, to another continent, just to say hello to him and to have lunch, that must have said a lot to him about our approach, our attitude, and the way we do business, the way we treat customers. So that to me was a great experience and a learning curve. I'll never forget this. Yeah.
That is very remarkable, sir. Thank you for sharing that with me.
Yes.
Sir, so New India Electricals in a simple definition is defined as a one-stop solution or one-stop shop. So can you elaborate a little bit on this title?
Let me ask you, Sarvana.
Yes, sir.
Am I allowed to ask questions here?
Of course you can.
Yeah, okay. I would still have, yeah. So let me ask you, are you married?
No, not yet.
No, you're not. So let's pretend you are, just for a minute.
Okay. Okay.
Don't get too excited. We're only pretending.
Yeah. Okay. Got it, sir.
All right. And okay, so you're married now, and you take your wife out shopping.
Okay.
And let's say she wants to buy a whole load of, 4, 5, 6 different items.
Indian wives.
Right. So would you prefer to visit 4, 5 different shops, or one superstore where you would get all the stuff that you need?
Of course, it will be a one superstore where we can get all the things, because we need not go to different places and waste time on traveling.
Exactly. So let's extrapolate this. Oh, by the way, you're no longer married. We have stopped pretending. All right?
Yeah.
So let's extrapolate this to the industry.
Okay.
Say you're a customer and you want to buy a pump or pumps for your, say, a new plant, the TMT section in your steel mill. And then you would need motors to run these pumps. You would need the starters to run these motors.
Right.
Plus, you would need somebody reliable who understands your requirement to do this selection for you, to sell you all this stuff and install this for you. Would you like to come to New India for this, or would you like to go to 5 different places?
Of course, it will be New India Electricals.
Of course. Why go through all the hassle of interacting with 5 different people you don't know?
Right.
Then something unexpected happens.
Right.
So one more example I can give you. Let's take it a step further. Say you want to set up a new substation for your new power plant that you're setting up.
Right.
Will you buy a transformer from here, a breaker from there, and all the miscellaneous stuff from somewhere else? And then of course look for somebody to set it up. Or would you rather go to somebody who can, one, design your substation, source all the material for you, integrate it, build your substation at site, run it, test it, commission it, and then hand it over to you? New India does all this for you, for the customer. Our team takes end-to-end responsibility. Sarvana, gone are the days when a customer would look for a product. Now they want a complete solution.
Right.
Which is what we offer, which is what New India offers. And that is why we take pride in saying New India is a one-stop shop or a one-stop solution for all your electrical needs. Yeah.
Exactly, sir. So that is where the 52 years of expertise comes in play, I suppose. Very well said, sir.
Absolutely.
Thank you for sharing that. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable time. It was really nice to have a very good interactive session with you. I am taking a lot with me right now with this session.
Thank you so much. And maybe next time I get to grill you. We exchange
Looking
seats.
forward to it, sir. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.
All right. Bye-bye. Take care. Thanks a lot.